Okay, it's summer, kids are home, so 4 tips for surviving the summer at home with your kids. Summer's here. A lot of you, that means it's a change. It is not your normal schedule. The kids are there more. That can provide some challenges for families and for your marriage. So let's talk about some tips for surviving the summer. Number 1, find the fun. You know, in summer when we had kids, we realized that if we found a few fun things for them to do every day, that it made life smoother. And I'm not suggesting that you entertain them all the time. That's not realistic for any of us probably. But make sure ahead of time to plan. Include a few fun things for the kids to do. That's going to make their moods better. It's going to make everyone feel more energized, and things seem to be more peaceful and smooth at home. Think creatively here. Fun things that are different from the normal. It can be as simple as buying a new board game and saying, hey, it's family fun night. Number 2, give each other breaks. If your family isn't used to everyone being there 24/7 and all of a sudden the kids are home all the time, it can be overwhelming. You and your spouse will probably both need some time alone. So be proactive here and give each other this much needed breaks from parenting responsibilities. One night, let mom go out with the girls and dad keep the kids. Then another night switch and let dad go out. Children are a blessing from the Lord, and family is a blessing, but that doesn't mean you don't need some time for you. Serve each other by giving each other some breaks this summer. Number 3, shift your expectations to be more flexible. This is important. The more people you add to the equation, the less predictable daily life becomes. So kids out of school and in the home more, you're going to have to be more flexible. Try to start your mornings in prayer and specifically ask God to help you shift your expectations and to be more flexible. Number 4, remember that you're doing kingdom work. So important. The thing about raising kids is the little moments make up the big picture. And even though moment to moment it may not seem like you're doing much, you're doing a lot. You're building a legacy. You're pouring into a young disciple. You're selflessly caring for another human being. You're building up a child of God. You're sharing the gospel in your words and your actions to your kids. Keep this in mind and find teachable moments and use them wisely. But also just take the mundane moments as an opportunity to show great love. Parents, you're doing kingdom work.